This low-profile, full-depth 30-inch slide-in gas range by Bosch will fit into any existing freestanding range cutout. It features a stainless front with a large black glass viewing window and one stainless handle. It has 3 continuous heavy-duty cast-iron grates and 5 sealed burners with removable caps. Burner output highs consist of 2 5,000, one 10,000, one 15,000, and one 18,000 BTU center power burner. The surface of this range top is stainless steel. The front-facing control panel features an easy-to-read glass touch panel display with several baking options, numerical keys, and 5 metal knobs with guides to help easily identify burners. The 4.6 cubic foot oven has a dark porcelain interior and comes with 2 flat racks, 1 smooth gliding rack, 6 rack positions, 1 oven light, and a convection fan. The lower drawer is a warming oven that doubles as storage for flat pans and baking sheets. To learn more about ranges, check us out at app.com or visit our showroom located at 1200 North Milwaukee Avenue in Glenview, Illinois.